Oh, and he pissed off his wife. We're gonna get out of here. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna have to do a merch plug for myself because as you guys do know, we did fire up the website. We have knives on there now. We have freaking like wall art, we have shirts, we have hoodies. It's gonna get cold, guys. Go get your merch right now. It's SendItSteveMerch.com. That's right, SendItSteveMerch.com, as showed on the screen up here, down there. I don't know where it's gonna be, but head on over, show your support for the channel, and I'm gonna roll the footage. Well, how y'all doing? And welcome to the channel. I'm here, SendIt Steve, and this is my 1990 Chevrolet Corvette. Now, I don't know what we're gonna do with this some dick yet, but we're gonna do something and we're gonna have some fun. All right, guys, so good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, I'm SendIt Steve. Obviously, this is about the Corvette. So this video is gonna be kind of, it's a little bit of a bittersweet relief, I'd say. As far as you guys, I know some of you guys are going to be upset. I'm probably going to have a bunch of people unsubscribe behind this decision, but I also have to start thinking about things for myself and for my family and, you know, just financial. So basically, as you guys do know, I do have the C5 Corvette, and it's kind of been a lose fighting battle now for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and roll a couple scenes here from me going and selling the car. It's kind of bad audio. Josh is still new to the whole YouTube thing. Definitely check him out though, JPM Tech. So he had his finger over the mic. I'm obviously recording this now because I went in there and tried to edit everything out, and it didn't come out very well because his hand was over the mic, which please bear with me for that. I apologize. And we were just being goofy because I was kind of, like I said, guys, it was a bittersweet relief. I now no longer have that $218 car payment every month, and I also don't have to really worry about putting that car back together. Now, is it what I wanted to do? No, but also yes. So I hope you guys understand, and I'm going to go ahead and roll the footage. And as you heard by the beginning of the video, the guy I sold it to has a turbo Honda, and well, we got there, it was probably about 8:15, 8:30 in the evening. And he obviously hit the two-step there, and his kid was in there sleeping, and his wife did not like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll that footage, guys, and then I'll pick back up and kind of sort of sum some things up for you guys and answer some questions that you guys might have. So again, guys, please bear with me. Do not unsubscribe because of this car. I can promise you we have much bigger and better things coming than the C5. I promise you. Stay with me, guys.
Hey guys, coming to you from SendIt Steve's channel, and we're doing big things, so
yeah. By big things, it means it's time for my payment.
Alright, so
I think we named the new project Caitlin.
We're out here
because we have Bruce. I think we named it Caitlin. Why did I just think about that?
Really?
I have no idea.
Is that going on it?
I think that's going in there. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. And it's just funny. I don't mean any disrespect. I think Caitlyn Jenner is a very nice person. I think what she's doing is great. I can't keep a straight face with calling him a she, but I think it's great.
So anyhow, Steve might have some information for you guys, and
I hope you guys are excited about this. And like, I know I'm laughing because, you know what, it's a chance to become new. It's a chance to start fresh. I know some of you guys aren't going to think that way. Some of you guys are going to be pretty upset about my decision. But we have actually got a buyer for the C5, guys. I'm not upset. I thought I was going to be upset. But it's one of those things, guys, where you reach a point in your life or a time with a project or with anything, whether it be your house or, you know, I always have cars, so it's always cars. But there comes a point when you're at a point with a car that you just don't take it any further. Like the F450, it's where I need it to be because it's practical, it's a daily. I won't take it any further, I won't go crazy. The C5, I'm just at a point in my life where it's just time to move on. I've done a lot with it. It helped me grow this channel, and I'm not saying that there's never going to be another Corvette on the channel. Well, if you've seen yesterday's video, you see the Corvette on the channel, but we got another Corvette. I have other projects. The C5 is just, I have too much frustration in that car. It's time to move on. We're gonna let our bygones be bygones, guys, and don't leave the channel because of the C5. I promise you, but we will get another Corvette back on the channel, other than Caitlin. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're delivering it to, it's actually going to be local, too. It's pretty crazy. I mean, you guys may never see the car again, but I hope we do. I've talked to the guy and said, hey, you know, he plans on taking it to cruise weeks and, you know, events like that. Like I said, he's local to me. He's only about 45 minutes north of me. So really cool guy. He's actually not well known, but he's known. And if he wants me to disclose his information, I'll let you guys know. But we're delivering it to him, and we'll see you soon there, bud. Alrighty, guys. Well, we are here, and it's, you know, it's kind of a bittersweet feeling. I know you guys are a little upset that I am going to get rid of this car and everything, but I mean, it's just time to move on, guys. So we did end up putting the C6 wheels back on it for the deal, I mean, walking away with a pocket full of cash, I can't really complain. Do you want me to show the Civic?
Show it.
So he's got this pretty cool Civic, and I almost did, if it would have been a hatch or a CRX, I would have definitely traded it. I know you guys can't really see. Let's get a light on the situation here. But he's got a single cam, and it looks basically stock.
Yeah.
Turbo single cam, side exit exhaust, even on hubcaps, guys. This thing is freaking cool, and of course my phone's gonna ring now at a time like this, and you guys are used to that. So, but what a cool place, cool person. I love doing deals like this. This is why I do what I do. It's Vince calling me. Watch, Vince is gonna be mad that I sold the car. Hello?
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 Hey, I'm here dropping off your Corvette.
My Corvette? What are you talking about?
I sold it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Are you excited about it?
That you sold it?
Yeah.
Do I have to pay you a percentage or anything?
No.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I'm excited about it.
Perfect.
You want to call me back?
Yep, I'll give you a shout back.
Bye.
All right, bye. Little does Vince know, but he was just recorded, and that was kind of funny. But Vince actually made me an offer for the car, and I declined it, so I think he's mad about it, but it is what it is. So there we have it, guys. I'm going to jump back in the truck, and we are going to head southbound. Bittersweet feeling. Glad it's gone. Of course, you know we had to fire this thing up. We're not true gearheads unless we fire up the Civic and actually get a good look at it. Oh, yeah, we should have a good look.
I'll try and get the flame for it.
All right.
We usually spit out either there or spit out the exhaust.
Yeah, I had an Integra. They'd spit out both of them, and it was hood exit. It was actually pretty cool. What a freaking sick setup. This thing is freaking spotless. So he's gonna try to get us some flame action here. I don't know where it's gonna happen. Probably turn the light out, maybe, or turn behind us. See if we can get a little flame action. Oh, yes. Dude, that is freaking cool. I didn't feel like it was gonna punch like that.
No, that was awesome.
Oh man, maybe I should have done the trade deal, guys. What do you think? That is freaking cool. Maybe we should have done the trade deal. I'd have had it blown up by Friday.
Probably, yeah.
Oh, and he pissed off his wife. We're gonna get out of here. All right, so there you guys have it. I want to give Josh a huge thank you for coming with me and helping me out. Things like that, you don't really understand how much you appreciate just an extra body or a friend being there to help you do things, especially in a situation like that. Like, it was nice to have somebody be able to hold a light. Josh doesn't just stand there and hold a light, but he grabbed ramps, he grabbed boards. As I was lowering the car down into the grass there, one of the boards shifted. He ended up helping me grab it. It was just nice to have an extra pair of hands. Sometimes that's nice. So Josh, JPM Tech, thank you for going along with me. I know you had to work in the morning and you didn't get home till kind of late, but I super appreciate your friendship. Appreciate you, bud. So basically what I want to say, guys, is I have an event coming up here, which you'll see probably tomorrow. I've already done it at this point. I've settled, we've signed papers, and it's kind of a big thing for me. I'm excited because it takes everything going into the winter months. It's going to take this channel to the next level because I don't have to rush to get content out to you guys. A lot of times being a full-time YouTuber, when the sun starts to set, it gets kind of hard to do videos because you run out of space, time, things like that. The garage, whoops, I just kind of slipped it. But what we're going to do tomorrow, the garage portion, I'll just say that the garage portion is going to help me out drastically. So I want you guys to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We got a giant thing coming on, and me freeing up the loan for the C5 was absolutely huge. It helped me out more than anybody would ever know, in so many different areas. So basically, the money that I was spending for the C5 every month, you know, insurance, the car payment, is now going into helping me with another situation, which you guys will see tomorrow. So I appreciate, if you guys are on my Instagram, you did see me post today about what we're doing. So if you're not following me on Instagram, now's a good time. It's SendIt_Steve, and you kind of get a play-by-play sometimes ahead of when, you know, YouTube actually sees it, which I'm sorry that it's delayed, but the Florida trip put me back like 3 days. It actually put me back like 4 videos. I actually had something else that I was rectifying, and that's going to be a whole nother story. I just have to wait for all that to snowball and come to an end. It's 90% ending right now. I'm just waiting for a specific date to come, and I'm not talking about Codes thing either. Codes is actually going to be here this week, but obviously we're not going to have nothing to talk about with that, as you see tomorrow's video. So I'm done babbling about it, guys. I appreciate you guys' support, and like I said, please do not unsubscribe because I got rid of the C5 Corvette. I can promise you, we have some big things coming, and you're going to want to stay tuned. And I know it's a lot of YouTubers say that, like, hey, stay tuned. There's going to be a promise. There's going to be promises. But I can guarantee you guys, something is going to happen in the next few weeks, few months that you guys are going to want to stick around for. You're not going to want to miss it. And I appreciate everyone's continual support. So again, like I said at the beginning of the video, SendItSteveMerch.com. Definitely check me out. Show some support for the channel. Every dollar just goes back into the channel. It's not something that's, you know, goes all over the place. I don't spend it, you know, in the Bahamas, you know, sipping margaritas or mahis. It goes back into the channel, guys. A lot of my money that I make off of YouTube goes back into the channel, and you guys, I think you guys see it. I have a lot of projects that might be junk in everybody's eyes, but we have a big thing and a great thing going here, and we're rolling in the right direction. So bear with me, guys. I appreciate the support again. SendItSteveMerch.com. Definitely check it out. And again, smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. As you can tell, my excitement's still here today. So thank you guys again, and sorry about the bad audio earlier. Josh, we got to teach you that, bud. We got to teach you how to hold a GoPro. I'm going to teach you. All right. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next upload.